All right, for part F, the last part of problem number 1, says another bank guarantees Hugh an amount of $1,750 after 2 years of investment. If he invests $1,500 at this bank, the interest is compounded annually. Letter F says calculate the interest rate per annum offered by the bank. All right, so we are trying to find the interest rate, which is the R value. So that's going to be our variable in the equation. We should be able to fill the rest of it out. So it should be 1750 equals 1,500 times 1 plus R divided by 100 times our K value. K is how many times it's compounded per year, and it says it's compounded annually. So that's just 1. And then to the K times N power. So it'd be 1 times 2 because it's 2 years. So we need to solve this equation for R. Okay, so it basically turns into an algebraic equation. So the first thing I would want to do to get R by itself is divide both sides by 1,500. So if I take 1750 divided by 1,500, I get 1.16 repeating. So 1.16 repeating equals, now we have 1 plus R divided by 100 to the second power, because 1 times 2 is 2. So now I got to get rid of that exponent of 2. So to get rid of an exponent of 2, you would take the square root of both sides. So the square root of our answer, and I'm not rounding it, I'm keeping it, comes out to be about 1.08. 3 sig figs. So we have 1.08 equals 1 plus R divided by 100. Then I would subtract 1 from both sides. We would get 0.08 equals R divided by 100. Last step, multiply both sides by 100 to get R by itself. And R comes out to be about 8%.